If you like this video and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a message down below. And share this with anybody you feel would get some value of it, whether they're thinking about moving to the area or moving somewhere different in the area, because I'm going to show you everything Polk County has to offer. What's up, my friends? It's Big George, and if you want an opportunity to work with me, call me directly, 727-542-7773. Today we're checking out the Estero floor plan. It's not in very many communities, as the price point is above $500,000. It is here in the community called Providence in Garden Hill section. Absolutely gorgeous in Davenport, gated golf course community. This home is 2532 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3 full baths with a 3-car garage on a 60-foot home site. Let's go and check it out. Well, there we are, folks. That's the Estero. 32 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, 3-car garage on a 60-foot home site and 2,532 square foot. Right here in Davenport, Providence of Garden Hills, beautiful golf course gated community. And if you would like to work with me directly, Big George, give me a call, 727-542-7773. I am your Lennar New Home Consultant. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.